From overnight, a watery mess in El Cajon after a car plowed into a hydrant. This is video from our 10 News breaking news tracker. This happened just before 11:30 last night on Valentine and Main Street. Police say the driver of the gray Kia you see there ran a red light and T-boned the dark car. That caused the dark car to spin out of control and hit the fire hydrant. Witnesses say that's when the Kia driver jumped out and took off running.
If your name is on the tag, I'm not understanding why they run.
Police arrested that driver at a nearby park. He is facing DUI charges. No one was hurt. Took crews about 15 minutes to shut off that water.